Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to hide Instagram notes from certain followers using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using your Android device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram app and click on the message button at the upper right corner of your screen. And now as you can see the notes section. So just go ahead and click on the plus sign. And here at the lower part of the screen, you can see the shared with followers you follow back and the drop down arrow. So just go ahead and click on that. And now if you want to hide some certain followers on your notes, just go ahead and click on close friends. And when you click on close friends, you can now choose or select who can only see your notes, okay? But when you click on followers you follow back, a lot of your followers that you follow back will see your notes, okay? So just go ahead and click or choose to close friends and select any followers that you want to see your notes, okay? And that is how you hide Instagram notes from certain followers. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.